How kidney works. Inside each nephron is a special blood vessel called a glomerulus, works like strainer to keep blood cells and needed substance in, while letting extra fluids and wastes out. Blood enters kidney through renal artery with water and waste, then blood leaves through the renal vein without waste and excess water through urine and is produced and travel to bladder through a tube called ureter. Thank you for watching. This was Yousef Osama, grade 7A.